The BRO extension identifies a Broadgun PDFMachine file, a CreataCard project, or a Brother embroidery design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you determine if you're managing professional document workflows, designing a greeting card, or programming an automated sewing machine. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling BRO files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. In the office productivity space, .bro is the native file format for Broadgun PDFMachine, an early virtual print driver used to create and manage PDF documents with integrated email and digital signature features. In the home creativity sector, the extension belongs to American Greetings CreataCard, where it stores brochure or card project layouts. Additionally, the extension is occasionally encountered in legacy textile manufacturing as a Brother proprietary embroidery format, though most modern Brother machines have moved to PES. Broadgun.bro files utilize a proprietary binary protocol that acts as an intermediate spooler, capturing print data before it is finalized into a standard PDF. CreataCard.bro files follow a layout-based protocol that maps text boxes, clip art coordinates, and fold-line indicators for paper printing. Brother BRO files use a stitch coordinate protocol, which translates geometric shapes into a sequence of XY motor movements for embroidery needles. The BRO format was designed to be handled by OnyxTREE Broadleaf from Onyx Computing. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the BRO file and hit Open With. Use OnyxTREE Broadleaf if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your BRO file still refuses to open, stay calm. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, identifying the data origin. Broadgun files are found in output or PDFMachine directories and are often small temporary files. CreataCard projects are located in My Cards or Projects folders and are usually accompanied by image assets. If the file is on a USB drive intended for a sewing machine or found in a Patterns folder, it is a textile design. If you are using a modern Windows PC for business, it is likely a Broadgun document placeholder. Next, loading an application selection. To finalize a document, open the .bro file using Broadgun PDFMachine to export it as a standard PDF. For greeting cards, use American Greetings CreataCard or the Broadgun Print Shop suite. For embroidery, use Brother PE design software or a universal converter like Wilcom TrueSizer. These are project or instruction files. They cannot be viewed as standard images without their respective authoring tools. Finally, resolving conversion and compatibility errors. The most common issue with Broadgun.bro files is finalization failure, which happens if the PDF virtual printer is disconnected. Reinstalling the Broadgun driver is the standard fix. For CreataCard users, object missing errors occur if the clip art library was not installed on the current computer. For embroidery, if a machine does not recognize the BRO file, it is likely a legacy format. Converting the file to PES or DST using a free online converter usually restores compatibility with modern equipment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.